Hi, I'm Scott and I'm going to show you how to tile a splashback. For this project, you're going to need a drop sheet, spirit level, masking tape, pencil, measuring tape, scraper, notch trowel, tile cutter, tiles, safety gear, silicone, a bucket, tile adhesive, tile spacers, grout float, sponge and grout. So to start off, we're going to check the surface that we're tiling against is level. Then we're going to prepare the surface to protect it with a drop sheet. We'll then take our masking tape, cover the surface. We're going to take our scraper and prepare the wall for the tiling, taking out any bumps along the way so our tile sits nice and flush against the wall. We're going to measure the wall so that we can work out whether we need to do any cuts. The way you calculate how to lay out the tile is to take the width of the tile plus one of your spacers and divide that by the length of your wall. This will determine how many tiles you need for the area and whether you're going to need to make any cuts. When sticking the tile to the wall, don't push too hard because we don't want the adhesive coming out the sides. Don't forget to use tile spacers. This will hold the tile in place whilst the adhesive dries, giving you that nice and even grout line. Once you've stuck all the tiles on the wall, check the back of your adhesive to find out the drying time. In our case, we're going to leave it overnight. Now that the tiles have dried, we're going to mix up our grout, remove the spacers, remove any excess glue on the tiles and apply the grout. For the grout, we're going to get a clean bucket and slowly add grout and water together while continuously mixing until we get a toothpaste-like consistency. Once we've applied the grout, we're going to use a damp sponge to take off any excess grout on the face of the tile and smooth out the grout lines. The final step of the project, we're going to use silicone along all of the edges.